Good day, everyone. This is Teacher Japhet, and welcome to JNR Classroom. For today's topic, we will be talking or discussing about how to divide fractions and mix numbers. Alright, so let us now begin. First step is to always change mixed numbers into improper fraction. Second step is to change the operation from division to multiplication. And third step, change the divisor by its reciprocal. And the last and fourth stage is, of course, to proceed to the operation. Alright, so let's have the first example. We have 3 and 1/2 divided by 7/8. So again, 3 and 1/2 divided by 7/8. So the first step is to change the mixed number into improper fraction. So where is the mixed number? Of course, the first term or the dividend. Take note that in division, the first term is called dividend and the second term is called the divisor. Okay, the answer is what we call quotient. Okay, so first step is to change the mixed number into improper fraction. So where do you think is the improper fraction? The first term dividend or the second term divisor? Very good. So this one is the mixed number. When we say mixed number, it is a mixture science. It's a combination of a whole number and a fraction. So this one is the mixed number. So to review, changing mixed numbers into improper fraction is that you're going to multiply the denominator by the whole number and the product you're going to add to the numerator. So that you will not forget, just remember the word improper fraction. Just remember the word improper fraction. Remember multiply, and then E plus. So that's the clue on how to change a mixed number into improper fraction. Remember the word improper, the IMP of the improper word. E multiply and then E plus. So 2 times 3 equals 6. Very good. Now 6 plus 1 equals? Very good. 7 over, of course, copy the denominator. So we have here now 7/2. Then let us copy first, divided by 7/8. The second step says that you have to change the operation division into multiplication. Okay, so that will be 7 and 1/2 times. And the third step says you are going to reciprocate the divisor or change the divisor, the second term, into its reciprocal. When we say reciprocal, gibali lang nimo ang number. The numerator will become the denominator and then the denominator will become the numerator. So reciprocate, gi-opposite lang nimo, the opposite way. Gibali, kabaliktaran. Alright, so what is the kabaliktaran of 7/8? Reciprocal. It's very easy. 8/7. And now we can proceed to our operation. Alright, so let me rewrite this. Now, we can actually have two ways now. So let us have first letter A. Okay, letter A, sata letter A. You can do the cancellation method. So 7 and 7, they have the common factor of 7. Okay, so we're going to divide it by 7, divide it also by 7. So 7 divided by 7, you cancel it now, becomes 1. And then 7 divided by 7 becomes also 1. Now 2 and 8 has also its greatest common factor. They have also the common number, which is 2. Okay, so you will go use 2. 2 divided by 2 equals how much? 1. And then 8 divided by 2 equals 4. So instead of 7 over 2, we have now 1 over 1. Okay, that's the answer man. 7 divided by 7 equals 1. And then 2 divided by 2 equals 1. So instead of 7 over 2, we have now 1 over 1. Okay, and then instead of 8 over 7, we have now 4 over 1. Then let us proceed to the operation. 1 times 4. Very good, equals 4. And then 1 times 1 equals, very good, 1. So we have 4 over 1, or that is 4. Okay? Diba? I already told you that when it is over 1, to change whole numbers into fraction, they are always over 1. Okay? So 4 over 1, or 4. It also means 4 divided by 1 equals 4. Now, the other method, letter B. Okay, letter B. We can also have, let's copy this one first. 7 over 2 times, what's that? 8 over 7. You can actually proceed. Diba? I told you that the fourth stage is you can proceed to the operation. 7, so now 7 times 8. Very good. That is equals to 56. Now 2 times 7. Okay, that's 14. And of course, we have to change it into its simplest form. So what could be the common number? 14. Very good. So we have to divide it by 14. Then 14. So, or 56 divided by 14. Let us do that. Well, it's 4. To check that, 56 divided by 14 equals 4. Because, let's try to see. 4 times 4 equals 16. 4 times 1 equals 4 plus 1. So that's 56. Alright. So that is 56 divided by 14 equals 4. And 14 divided by 14 equals 1. That will also lead us to 4. You see, we have A, the answer is 4. And in letter B, we also have the answer, number 4. So either ways, you will use cancellation method or the direct one. That's okay, as long as we arrive to the same answer. Okay, let's have another example. Number 2. 5 1/3 divided by 1 2/3. Now one tip, my papa said that when you are writing mathematical equation, you should make your penmanship neat. Okay, say for example, instead of writing 5 over 1/3 times 1 2/3, okay, so it will make your head down messy. Instead of writing like that, what is really the number, 1 or 3, diba? And then, is this 5 1/3 or 51 over 3? You see, so you have to make your penmanship neat and arranged and aligned, because one mistake in math will make the equation wrong. So let's be beautiful. That's it. So let's proceed now. What is the first step? Very good. Change mixed numbers into improper fraction. Okay. So again, the word improper. You are just going to remember the letter I, M, P of the improper fraction. To improper fraction. It means E multiply. So multiply of E P plus. That's one tip, huh? A second tip already. All right, so 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16. So 16, copy the denominator. Then divided by 3 times 1 equals 3. Now 3 plus 2, okay, equals 5 over 3. And what's the second and third step? All right, change division to multiplication, and third step, you have to have the reciprocal of the divisor of the second term. So let us go. 16 over 3 times, what's the reciprocal? 3 over 5. Again, when we say reciprocal, ang kabaliktaran lang. As easy as that. So, of course, this 3 and 3, that's common. So, of course, their GCF is 3. Alright? So, let us cancel this. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Let me write this one here. Okay. And then 3 divided by 3 equals 1. Now, how about 16 and 5? Do they have GCF or common factor? No. I think so. We don't have. Alright, so the final number here is 16 over 1 and then 1 over 5. Alright, let us now proceed to the operation. Okay, let us try. That is letter A, okay? So 16 times 1 equals 16. Very good. And over 1 times 5. Very good, equals 5. So that's the answer. And now, because it's improper, you are going to change it to improper fraction and its simplest form. So, how to change improper to mixed numbers? Easy. 5 can also mean 16 divided by 5. Okay. So 16 divided by 5. That's 3. 3 there, and then 3 times 5 equals 15. Very good. Minus 6 minus 5 equals 1. Of course, cannot delete na 1 minus 1 equals 0. So, always remember that the answer is the whole number. The remainder is the numerator. And the divisor is the denominator. You see? 5 and then 5. So the final answer is, can we simplify it pa? Or it's already in the simplest form? Yes, it's already in the simplest form. Now let's try letter B, the one that we will proceed. Let's copy this. 16. Okay, 16 over 3 times 3 over 5. So, equals 16 times 3, how much? That's 16 times 3. 3 times 6 equals 18. 3 times 1 plus 1. 3 times plus 3 plus 1 equals 4. So that's 48. 48 over 3 times 5 equals 15. And since it's improper fraction, we will change it to mixed number. 48 over 15 also means 48 divided by 15. Okay, what number? So we have 3. Okay. 3 times 15 equals 45. 48 minus 45. Okay. 8 minus 5 equals 3. 4 minus 4, that is already 0, so we cannot also write that one. Or 3, the whole number is the answer. I mean, the answer is the whole number. The remainder is the numerator, and copy the divisor. Alright, 15. Teacher, it's not the same. 3 and 1/5 and 3 and over 15. Very good. We can still simplify this by dividing it by 3, because the common number of 3 and 15 is 3. Their common factor. Alright, so copy this. 3, the whole number. that is or 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 15 divided by 3 equals 5. So there you go. I hope that you get it's clear to you now.